Supreme Air Jordan collaboration has finally arrived. Let's go check it out and let's see what we got. I do also have another item from the lookbook. It was meant to be like a, you know, a low-key drop, but it actually didn't sell out in the UK. However, I am kind of like it, so I don't know if it's going to be a personal or not, but who knows? We'll try it on and see what it looks like. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's go on with this video. Enjoying these videos. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. I'm not even sure like which items are which, but we'll go through each one individually. And I will say this though, the Air Jordan stuff will be for sale on my eBay channel. So if you are interested, you are from the UK and you want to get a cool deal on any of this stuff, let me know. Go to my eBay channel. It's a new shop, so it looks like a scam shop, but it's not a scam shop. It's only because it's a new eBay channel. It's the only reason why there's no feedback and stuff. But yeah, the only reason why I'm doing it is because I'm taking advantage of zero fees. It's my other account kind of got screwed over because of it, but that's a long story, which I'm not going to explain. But let's get on with it. If you are interested, let me know. You can also contact me on my Instagram, which is my selling one, which is XLs. But a lot of names might be changing soon, so yeah. Let's just keep going. So what do we have here? Ooh! Looks like we've got the green Air Jordan hoodies. The print on the front is kind of faded already. Not the actual hoodie itself, but the you know, the print on the bag. These are size large, and we did manage to hit 2 on a single cart, which is crazy. The bot actually allowed me to do that. I've never hit like a double cart on the bot before, so yeah, this is the first time that I did it, and it worked. Yeah, we got the ash grey one, I believe this is called. So yeah, if you are interested in this one, let me know. I'm not going to open it, it's just, you guys have probably already seen it anyway. You see it on the preview pictures. If you see this, that's all you pretty much need to know, is that that is embroidered and the back is printed, so yeah, it looks pretty cool. We also got a sticker. See if they've got the sizes right. This is also a large. So yeah, we've got 2 larges. We've got one in grey and one in black. Let me know, guys, if you are interested in these. These will be for sale on my eBay channel. So yeah, I don't really tend to like advertise my stuff, but apparently I should be doing it because you're not getting sales if you're not advertising. And to be fair, social media is a great way of advertising, you know, your business. I'm gonna be doing that more often. So yeah, I do apologize. All right, we're back. I had a parcel at the door, so yeah. I'm not sure what this one is. I think I just showed my address, but that'll get cut out. I think this one might be the other item because it doesn't feel like there's 2 items. Yeah, it is the other item. I'm gonna leave this till last because this one will be opened. But yeah, we got another double cart hitter on this one. We did hit the track jackets. Unfortunately, I didn't hit on any jerseys. They all pretty much sold out relatively quick. Especially in the UK, they pretty much went instantly. And with the ones dropping tomorrow, which are the star ones, which I really do want, I think there's a fire. I'm gonna fear that's gonna be just the same anyway. It was mostly the upperwear stuff. This is also a large. We have the track jacket. And like I said, I'm not going to be opening these. These will be for sale. I'll be taking cool pictures using my cool spotlight so that you can see them, but that's what I'll be using these for. I know people will complain. It's like, oh my God, why don't you open it, you stupid idiot? Well, it's not for me, is it? So, and you know, I advertise stuff as dead stock. This is dead stock. If I opened it, it's not dead stock, and people like to complain. I've had that happen quite a few times. They're like, well, you've opened it in the bag. That means it's not dead stock. That means I want a discount. Like, shut the fuck up. You know what I mean? This one is the olive one. This one's actually called olive, not the brown. But yeah, olive and the blue one. Size large. So if you are interested in any of these, let me know in either the comments or on my eBay channel. Now this one apparently sold out really quick in the US. It sat in the UK for like a day. So I'm not sure why it sold out relatively quick in the US, but I think there is a reason why. It's because it's fire as fuck. We have got the Polartec. You got the front, which is like the white one, and then the inside is like the camo looking colorway. I much prefer the camo colorway on the outside versus the inside. This is more of like a creamy white actually, not like a white. This is camo actually is the colorway, so yeah. It is white on this Polartec side, camo on the outside. But yeah, we're gonna open this one because we're gonna try it on. I'm not sure if I wanna keep it or not. It just really depends on you know, whether or not I'm gonna wear it or not. And whether or not it fits. It is a size large. I'm not sure if I bought a large for my other one. I'm gonna double check. Okay, this might be a bit small, but this is the one that I got last season in fall winter. This one was fire as fuck, but this one's an extra large, so whether or not that will fit is another question. But Supreme has been relatively like massive lately. I'm just gonna put like a side-by-side comparison. This is a lot more smaller. This one is way wider. It feels way wider. Anyway, we're gonna wear it this way and then we'll, there's no zips. Is it a zip? Oh, it's just a button. Oh, this actually feels a lot tighter than it is. I think it's just, actually no, it was just the way I was trying to put it on. But it does. Just fits. Guys, what do you think? Does it look good? I don't know. It feels alright. I'll probably do like B-roll pictures of this. I don't know. It's really hard to show. We've got a tag in here as well. A little Supreme tag here as well. It's interesting. It's got my knee for this. I actually kind of like it. I wouldn't probably have it on this side. I do like it though. It does fit well. Large, definitely the go-ahead for me. Shockingly, I've gained a massive amount of weight. White normally gets bigger when you're fatter, and we don't like wearing the color white. So, and it's cool because you have like two different colorway options. Like you can mix and match with the fashion outfits and stuff. We're gonna try it on the other side. Camo. I've never had a piece that is like forest camo before. Just see what it looks like. It's gonna be interesting feeling on the inside. If I can get it on, it's a bit awkward. It feels like it's gonna rip when I'm trying to put it on. I'm definitely looking like someone who lives in the forest on this side. I kind of like the other side, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, what do you think? Wearable or not wearable? You know, it's hard for you guys to see it. Like I said, I will try and do like B-rolls. It looks all right. It looks all right. I don't mind. I always say this to myself. If I just lose like 40 pounds, this will look mwah on me. This will look, maybe lose 20 pounds. This will look great. I need to do something about my weight. It's terrible. The winter weight, man. It's the winter weight. No, I blame myself. But it's really nice and cozy. I can feel the warmth with the Polartec. What's it look like with all the buttons up? I honestly prefer the other side. My belly though, look at that. It's not looking good. Let me know in the comments, what did you get from Hedge on last week? Did you manage to hit on any jerseys? Has your parcels arrived already? And are you keeping, are you selling? Did you manage to hit this? And does it suit your wardrobe? Are you going to be keeping it? I kind of like it, but I don't know. It is really nice. I do like both sides of it. I kind of like the Polartec on the outside as well. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff, you know, helps out the channel as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow is Supreme Drop Week 8, and we've got some star football jerseys that are dropping, which I'll be going all out for. So yes, see you guys on the live stream for that. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Hope you guys are all right in Florida. That hurricane's gonna kill you if you're not, you know, escaped yet. So yes, hope you guys are staying safe there. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another video.